Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So vulcanization का ये जो लेक्चर है एक्चुअली इट इज द एक्सटेंशन ऑफ द प्रीवियस लेक्चर में हमने vulcanization में पढ़ा था एक तो द vulcanization ऑफ रबर इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ सल्फर एंड सेकंड जो हमने पढ़ा था दैट वाज इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ पेरोक्साइड. फिर हमने थर्ड स्टार्ट किया था vulcanization इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ मेटालिक ऑक्साइड लाइक जिंक ऑक्साइड. सो देयर वाज सम टेक्निकल प्रॉब्लम. नाउ we'll discuss the vulcanization of synthetic rubber, that is chloroprene. So in presence of vulcanization in presence of that is metallic oxides like zinc oxide. So what it does here, we'll take the polymer of the chloroprene that contains this type of structure. So we have a double bond here, and then we have at 2 position here chloride atom. So this is called as chloroprene. ठीक. This is called as a chloroprene. So chloroprene जब हम इसको हीट करते हैं in presence of zinc oxide, so what actually it does, so हम और एक चेन यहाँ पे बनाएंगे what actually it does. So we have CH here, and then you have C chloride atom here. So you have a double bond here, CH, HH, and then. So in presence of zinc oxide, when we heat this, between the two adjacent chains, the ClCl gets removed in the form of by the zinc, it forms zinc Cl2, so that gets removed. And then, ये जो double bond है यहाँ पे, we have the link, they get linked here. So the double bond gets removed, and then you have the cross-linking here. So that cross-linking, this oxygen also gets inserted. So the result is that this structure gets converted into, so a peroxide link comes here in the form of oxygen, and then not only this double bond also gets removed. So this double bond gets removed, and then now its valency is 3, so we have H here coming, so H comes here. So what it does actually, it has removed these 2 chloride atoms, inserted the oxygen, and also added hydrogen here. So this is actually what happens when we heat the inorganic, what is this called as synthetic rubber, that is chloroprene, in presence of zinc oxide and heat. So it opens the double bond, removes the 2 chloride atoms with the adjacent chains, and then forms this cross link. So this is what actually happens in case of the vulcanization in presence of the metal oxide. So what it does, the cross links makes this hard, this synthetic rubber. It has now greater tensile strength, it has good elasticity, it has low absorption capacity, water absorption capacity, and then it has high resistance. So what it does to this synthetic rubber, this vulcanization, so what, number 1, the elasticity gets improved, elasticity increases. Number 2, second thing, it has the low absorption, water absorption capacity, low absorption capacity. Obviously this rubber is now hard. So third, which property gets changed is that it has high resistance towards oxidation now. जो मैंने पहले भी last lecture में कहा था, usually जो rubber है it gets oxidized usually, so it has high resistance towards oxidizing agents. And then you have fourth one. So what it does is that it's also high resistant towards the organic solvent. So it has high resistance towards the organic solvents. Organic solvents में यानी इतना easily अब effect नहीं होता है by the organic solvent, it doesn't get dissolved easily. And then the fifth change that comes into this property is that it has it's hard, tough. So now it is hard and tough. It's hard and tough. So these are the basic things that will come into the account, that will get developed in this synthetic rubber that was now, which has got vulcanized. It becomes highly elastic. It can bear more tensile strength. It is low absorption capacity. It is hard and tough. High resistance towards the oxidizing agent. It is high resistance towards organic solvent. So now it's this usability, durability overall increases. So this is all about the vulcanization of rubber in presence of metallic oxides, and the rest portion of this lecture, that is in the part number 1 of the vulcanization, that discusses vulcanization in presence of sulfur and vulcanization by the organic radicals, that is the benzoyl peroxide. This is all about the vulcanization of natural and synthetic rubber.